To load new 3D models to the scene, we need to define their objects and objects types. For example, S is a Sinbad, where S is the object's name, and Sinbad is the object's type. We can easily change their position in the scene, by adding the pos attribute. Inside the round brackets of the pos attribute we put values for the x, y, and z axes. In this demo, we add 3 different objects to the scene: a Sinbad, a ninja and a dragon. Each 3D model might have different animations built into it. We can activate those animations by typing a dot and the name of the desired animation. In this demo we run the dance animation of Sinbad, the backflip animation of the ninja and the fly animation of the dragon.